Over the course of your first year here at St. Lawrence, I hope one of the things you've noticed is that faculty here care a lot about teaching, enjoy it, and want to be good at it. There are a lot of things that we do as faculty members to get better at teaching. Some of those include things like attending workshops or having other faculty members come in to visit our courses and give us feedback. But among the things that we do is getting feedback from you, the student, on how we're doing and what you think of the course. So we've now reached the time in the semester for course evaluations. Though you would have done course evaluations last semester, because of the switch to remote learning, things are going to be a little bit different this semester. I wanted to give a little bit of explanation about how it's going to work. So, in terms of how you can do course evaluations, this course is going to ask you for evaluation in two forms. One is a standard course evaluation, much like the ones you'll be doing for your other courses, that you can fill out through Sakai. Additionally, there's going to be some extra evaluation that's specific to the fact that this is an FYS course, in just the same way that there was some specific feedback that you gave on your FYP last semester. That feedback is going to be coming to you via an email that will ask you to fill out a survey, much like some of the surveys you've filled out in the past for St. Lawrence. When should you fill this out? Well, basically now. The Sakai survey option is open right now, and if you haven't yet, you should be very shortly receiving the email from the first year program. But I do want to make clear that I won't be able to see any of your feedback, and being digital this year, it will be extra anonymous, until after the semester has ended and grades have been submitted, so you can feel comfortable providing honest feedback. Why should you take the time to do this? Well, there are sort of two reasons why. As I alluded to earlier, one of the reasons to give feedback is because I sincerely care about teaching. One of my goals in this course was to help you to understand the kinds of chemical reactions that can occur, when those reactions occur, i.e. spontaneity, and how quickly those reactions can occur. So think to yourself, what aspects of the course helped you to better understand that, or which aspects could be improved? Now, as you do think about this, keep in mind that general chemistry is a team-taught course, where some aspects of the course are ones that I directly control, things like the classroom experience or the FYS assignments this semester, while other aspects, things like Sapling or the labs, are coordinated as a team effort and are not things over which I have quite as much direct control. I also want you to think about how the research aspects of this course, how the FYS experience helped you to learn more about how to do research as a scientist and how to answer questions by diving into the literature. The other reason that course evaluations are important is that St. Lawrence has a professional standards committee, a group of faculty who evaluate the work of other faculty, and they read these as well. So for instance, when I went up for promotion and tenure a couple of years ago, the Professional Standards Committee read over my recent course evaluations to get additional insight into how I was doing as a teacher. So for all of those reasons, I really hope that you'll take the time to give me and St. Lawrence your thoughts on how this course went. Thank you so much for taking the time to provide your feedback. It really does help.